In this video, I'm going to be showing you a quick unboxing of these two accessories, and I'm going to show you the before and after of this tablet with the screen protector on. Let's start with the screen protector because for some reason, although it's new, I received it from Amazon and it's been opened already. There is not much in here as far as you can see, so there's only one screen protector in here. What else? So that's the dust sticker remover instructions. I think this is the squeegee microfiber cloth and 2 applicator. I'm not going to be showing you the whole process because Samsung website or Samsung YouTube channel actually show a very good video, but I will demonstrate to you the before and after of me applying this screen protector. This is before the application of the screen protector, like I said. So let's turn it to a black background so that you can see the reflection. So while prepping to install this screen protector, I just realized that Samsung hasn't included any lens wipe or alcohol wipe. I mean, Samsung, what are you thinking? The tablet doesn't come with a screen protector, so people, you know, there are bound to be smudges whatsoever. Do you think that it's going to be wiped off with simple microfiber cloth? Good thing for me, I have lens wipe, so I could clean them, make sure it's as dust free as possible before applying that. Come on Samsung, 20 quid for this. And to save a few cents for this is just ridiculous. Run over. So I have finished installing the screen protector. There are a few tiny specks of dust that are trapped underneath, but there's nothing I can do because unless I live in a lab, I can't do it like 100%. But anyway, like I said, I will again show you various angles and see whether the anti-reflective screen protector is working. I mean, I haven't owned this for long, so I do not know, but the initial impression is that it does reduce some reflection from what I can gather. I shot some, before video, so maybe I could try to show it in the video editing, but to me, it does reduce some reflection. I shall now unbox this. So what's in here? The cover itself. This and it's a 2-part cover. fairly minimal. Let's get the tablet so that I can attach them. There's the pogo pin. So I think it works this way. Doesn't really align properly. Maybe I got it wrong. Let's see. All right, yeah. Yeah, I got it wrong. So that is the front, and the back. It's all attached magnetically. And the pen itself, I think if I put it that way, this thing is played like that. No. So I think, yeah, okay. Right. So this is how it's installed. Like a notebook. The reason why I got this is because of this. I think it's looking at the brochure. How does it work? Right, there you go. So I could do it like this. Where I could, you know, browse, or I could do it like this. I mean, because I've got the screen protector, I might not use this because I don't really need it. So most of the time I'm just going to leave it like this, or if I'm viewing, like this. And the beauty of this is that you can see it's like origami style. And put it back. Because I've got the screen protector applied, it offers some minimal amount of protection for the screen, so I might just leave it like that most of the time. So if I'm traveling, I might just put the front cover on just for extra protection. It would be good if Samsung can sell the keyboard separately. When I looked, they don't, so you know, I think if I can have this cover with the keyboard, this will be perfect. The size is just nice, not too big, not too small.